All right, so we dabbled a little bit with println to print out some data and add a new line. But I just want to explain to you guys there are two different type of functions that we can use to print out data onto the screen. So first we have print, and the second one we have is println. So let me show you guys exactly what this looks like. So we have print. This is just to output data onto the screen. All right. It is not restricted to just strings or just text. You can print out all these data types that you guys see: Boolean, bytes, chars, doubles, all of this. And I'm gonna go over that a little bit more later on. But I just want to let you guys know you're not restricted to just text. You can print out different types of numbers as well. So in this case, we're just gonna print out 7. All right. And then let's print out one more thing. Let's print out 14 so I can show you guys the real difference between print and println. So if we just print this out, we will see 7 and 14. Print just prints out data onto the screen. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, if we were to use something like println, this also prints things onto the screen. Same type of data types as well. But the ln portion of it adds or appends a new line onto the printed message or after the printed message. So in this case, we'll have a prompt. Let's put my name is, let's lowercase that y, and this thing does not want, okay, there it is. And then let's put a colon for looks, and then let's put another println to put my name, and then let's run that. All right, so boom, you guys can see it prints out 7 and 14 like before, and it also prints out my name is. But then because of the ln, it appends a new line right after this message. And you guys can see that Giovanni is added onto a new line. You guys can see that my name is still on the same line as the numbers because print does not add a new line after it prints out text. It just prints it out to the screen, no instructions. And then after this println, which is my name is, it just adds a new line, and then Giovanni is placed on a new line. And if we were to put a print right under Giovanni, let's put tech with Geo, you guys will see that this is also on a new line. Even though this is print, it is on a new line because of the fact that Giovanni was appended with a new line after the message was outputted. So tech with Geo takes that and it's added onto the new line. So it is all about preference. Do you just want to output data onto the screen, or do you want to output data onto the screen with a new line? Do you want to put it row by row? It's all about convention.